What is this called?
This is a fox.
What is this called? This is a snail. What is this called?
This is a bunny.
What is this called? This is a penguin. What is this called?
This is a koala.
What is this called? This is a dog. What is this called?
This is a penguin.
What is this called? This is a pig. What is this called?
This is a panda.
What is this called?
This is a dolphin.
What is this called? This is a cat. What is this called?
This is a raccoon.
What is this called?
This is a squirrel.
What is this called?
This is a hedgehog.
What is this called?
This is a hamster.